There we go. And then here is Mr. Vinton.
No, there was a female. Hey, there a Barajas back there?
Oh, there he is.
Barajas.
Good morning, Mr. Vinton. How are you?
Good morning, how are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. You got Mr. Barajas this morning. You got
Yep.
your offers and all that?
Yes, the only thing I'm missing is discovery acknowledgement.
Okay, got it. Now on Barajas, he's got 3 cases. Are we going on all 3 cases?
No, only 727-475.
475 only. Okay,
Only.
got it. The other 2 will be dismissed. Got it. Okay. I'm putting Mr. Vinton in room 3. All right, guys?
3.
3. Mr. Vinton, moving you to 3.
All right.
What did I do there?
I'm right here.
Hey, you guys come here.
Yeah.
No, which one?
Is he white?
Number fair. Go stay up there by 2.
Number 2?
Who's Arias? Arias?
Yo.
Habla. Uno, good one.
Oh, that's right. We have a new ADA starting today. Hal Clay, Judge.
Al Clay.
Hal Clay.
Okay, cool. You got on it. Why? Because he.
Ready?
Yeah.
Not yet. Hold your horses. Calm down, Gil.
What happened?
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Clay.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to jail court. I assume you will be with us for a few
That's
weeks.
right.
Oh, you will? All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like, I know that I've done this before.
Yeah, I think you have been here before, have you not?
I have.
Okay, got it. Okay. Well, I got Mr. Davidson already in room 1 and,
Okay.
and Mr. Butler and Shim Vinton already in 3. So all those are in their breakout rooms conferring. So,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. And there's some cases that are already on the docket have been dismissed and people have bonded out and stuff. Do you need the updates on those dockets?
Yes, please.
Okay, you got your docket in front of you. The very first one, Michaela Adams is bonded out.
Okay.
And then the next one down, Brian Alvarado was dismissed. Next one down, Juan Coronado, that case has already been handled in 15, so that's done already. Next one down, Aaron Hall already pled as well. Next page, Mr. Clay, Medale Johnson that case has been dismissed already. A few down, Carnella Booker has bonded out.
Okay.
A few down to Margaret Gossett's got competency issues according to Judge Guerrero, and she sent that one on to Carruthers already. So that is it.
Okay.
And let me talk to Mrs. Davalos here.
Terry,
Yes, good morning.
can I get in to speak with Mr. Diaz?
Yeah, and all the breakout rooms are full right now. Rebecca, you're gonna have to give me a moment. You got your offer and all that stuff already?
I do. I'm having communication problems with Mr. Diaz, so I'm not sure we're gonna, be able to get these cases resolved, but let me see
Okay.
how he's doing this morning.
Okay, yes. Well, I haven't told me, Ramirez, we do got Mr. Diaz here this morning, right? Let me make sure. Ramirez, Alex. Yeah, do you happen to have Juan Diaz here this morning?
He's here.
Okay, he is here. All right. Well, Ms. Davalos, he's here. So
Okay.
as soon as I get a breakout room, you'll be the first one up. Let me put you in room 7 for now and clear my screen here. I'll
Sounds
put you
good.
in room 7 for now. Thank you.
We'll get you moving out in a minute, okay? Any credit cards?
No. Sure. But divorce. The man took everything.
It's supposed to be the other way around.
Oh, yeah, but if you get a sergeant's lawyer.
Be careful on the weather, baby.
Right there, right, Alvarado was dismissed, right?
What you
You
said,
signed out?
yeah,
Yeah.
says dismissed,
Huh?
it says dismissed.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Verona was dismissed.
We just found out.
Also on the second page, Johnson was dismissed as well, Gil. On the second, Johnson.
I don't think I bought it.
Got it.
Thank you.
Christine White. We're ready?
Christine White, come here. Put Diaz in two, Terry.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Miss White. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Raise your right hand for me. Solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you will give at this call will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can put your hand down. All right, 725-249, State of Texas versus Christine White. We have Hal Clay for the DA's office, Milton Butler representing Ms. White. Ms. White, you've been charged with the offense of criminal trespass. That's a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. That's the full range of punishment. You have a right to a jury trial, a right to cross-examine witnesses, a right to remain silent. I'm looking at paperwork you've signed with your attorney that states you want to give up those rights in order to do a plea in this case. Is that correct?
No contest. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Butler, do you feel your client's mentally competent?
I do.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
She has,
And how long have you represented her?
since January.
All right. Then she's pleaded, I've heard her plead no contest to the charge. I'm going to accept her plea of no contest. I will find her guilty. Mr. Clay, what is the agreement?
Your Honor, the agreement is for $0 fine plus court costs, a sentence of 10 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served, fines and money to run concurrently, and this case be considered judgment is satisfied.
That's your understanding, Mr. Butler?
Yes, that is the agreement.
And Ms. White, you want me to follow that agreement, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I will do so. I will follow your plea bargain. $0 fine, 10 days, credit for time served, time and money concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. If you have no other holds, you should be released sometime today or tomorrow, okay?
Okay, thank you. God bless you guys.
Bye.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you.
Hi, Ms. White, Mr. Butler.
Okay.
All these also.
Gonna walk. And these are, and the females and then the lockdown. Take a break. Want to take a break?
Before you start.
Well, then we have you. The leopard. The Kruger. The Kruger. Taking one.
Good morning, Ms. Sparks.
Good morning, Terry.
Good morning. I did know that they dismissed Brian Alvarado, the case this morning. So I didn't
Yes.
email you anything
Yes,
because I
ma'am.
didn't know about it. But now it's done.
Okay. I
See-
didn't know if you need, did you bring it? Is he there? Can I talk to him or they already took him back?
I think they already took him back already because,
Okay.
yeah. So it's done already. So
No worries.
we'll see you
Okay.
next time.
Thank you, Terry.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Huh?
Guzman, Esquivel.
Guzman.
Go ahead. Okay, here.
You got reset. Alvarado.
Are you running too?
You got dismissed.
Judge,
Yes.
just a heads up for Jared Templeton. It looks like on the docket it says 231 days of credit, but it's actually just 23.
Jared Templeton. Oh, okay. That would be a lot of credit, huh?
Yeah.
What you want to do, if you want, you can take them all. Take them all to booking, just have them served.
Thank you, Corinne, for that. Appreciate that.
Take them back.
Yes, no problem.
Yes.
Yeah.
What did she say?
You need?
Let me go with my car. Huh? No. No. My fingers are all plugged up. You see what we was doing?
Never mind.
All right, Rudy Barajas, please.
Ah, come on.
Hi, Mr. Barajas. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Good. All right, 762, 763, 64, and 75. I'm sorry, 727, 475. State of Texas versus Rudy Barajas. We have Hal Clay for the state, Shem Benton for Mr. Barajas. Mr. Barajas, raise your right hand for me. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Okay, you can lower your hand. Right, it looks like Mr. Barajas, the state is going to dismiss the older two cases in exchange for your plea on the interference with public servant 727475. So let me talk to you about your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You don't have to do or say anything today if you don't want to. You have a right to have a jury trial, make the state bring in any witnesses against you. Your attorney could ask questions of those witnesses. I'm looking at paperwork that says that you do not want to have a jury trial. You want me to go along with the plea bargain your attorney worked out with the state. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Benton, are you satisfied your client's mentally competent?
I am, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has, Judge.
All right. Then, Mr. Barajas, how do you plead to interference with the duties of a public servant? I'll accept your plea of no contest. I will find you guilty. Mr. Clay, what is the agreement, sir?
Your Honor, the agreement is for $0 fine plus court costs, a sentence of 54 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served, fines and times run concurrent. We ask that this judgment be satisfied.
And are the other two cases being taken into consideration?
Yes, Your Honor. So for the two cases, 732-763 and 732-764, which is a silence, abuse of calls and interference with public duties, respectively, will be taken into consideration for the cause number 727-475.
And is that your understanding, Mr. Benton?
I'm kind of confused as to the number of days he's being sentenced, or
54.
54.
So is that your agreement, sir?
I don't believe, if it's a JSAT agreement, I don't believe he has that number of days.
Well, let's ask
I have-
Karen.
I have 54 days.
I do too. Karen, will you look it up?
Yes, Judge. I'm just double checking, but I'm pretty sure it's 54. Yes, it's 54.
All right.
Okay.
Oh.
Then I withdraw my confusion.
Okay. Well, and I understand because he has 36 on the older cases and 54 on the new one.
I see.
All right, Mr. Barajas, I'm going to follow the agreement. So your judgment is satisfied. If you don't have any other holds, then you should be released sometime today or tomorrow, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Good luck. You don't have a right to an appeal. Good luck. And Mr. Clay, just send those dismissals whenever you can.
Will do, Your Honor.
Thank you.
And Hal, if you would, the discovery acknowledgement.
You got it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Benton.
May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning, Gail.
Good morning. I'm here for Peter, and I submitted paperwork, but I just noticed there's two cases.
Yes, there's two
Criminal
cases.
trespass. I submitted on a 72581, and on my voucher, I didn't note the second case.
Okay. Oh, okay. The clerk can fix that as long as we know the amount. The judge can put that in there for you. Are we going on
And
both
I
cases?
I
though?
need to, I'm sorry, Peter has both cases. I'm here for Peter.
Right, exactly. But are we all going on both cases, Hal?
We're still talking about Rudy Barajas.
No, for Loomis.
Loomis.
I see the 725-581 and 725-622. That is correct.
Okay, so we are going on
And I
both
need to
cases.
get an offer, Hal. I don't know what the offer is. Is it?
I'm gonna
Jason?
move.
But we're
I'm
going to
gonna
put you in a room, okay?
I'll put you in
Right,
room
thank you.
6. Hal, I'm moving you to room 6. And Gail, I'm gonna send you a reminder on that second case. All right, I'm doing it now.
Then why you weren't? Because it's fixed up. It's never flipped up. You can't have your time.
Terry. Oh, I'm sorry, Judge.
It's okay. You go ahead.
Miss Terry, would you happen to know Mr. Clay's bar number?
I do not, dear. Sorry.
Okay, that's okay. I'll ask when he gets back.
Okay, thank you, dear.
And Teresa, what happened with Bill Davidson's case?
He's still in one conferring judge with the
Oh, okay.
interpreter.
Okay.
I looked it up and it looks like his bar number is 3.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's a little low. Did you say it one more time?
24136080.
Thank you.
No problem.
Took a shit, put the key on the floor and just smashed it. They tried to blame us, there's no way. They're the ones over here. You're the only guy that went.
Good morning, Mr. Jackson.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Mr. Jackson, you got an offer on Justin Rodriguez?
Yes, I do.
Okay, got it. As soon as I get a breakout room available, I will put you in.
Okay.
Just give me a moment. Ms. Davilos, are we ready on Juan Diaz?
I am going to reschedule these probably for in-person court for next week if necessary, Terry.
Okay. So I'm sending these cases back, no agreement, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Davilos.
Thank you, and that's all I have, I believe.
Okay, very
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you.
Juan Diaz.
You got Ramirez, you got Justin Rodriguez?
Yeah, put him in 3 and put Lemus in 2.
Okay, Brandon Jackson, Mr. Jackson, I'm moving you to room 3.
Okay.
Terry,
Yes,
Gail's client can go in 2.
go to 2. All right. Gail, you got your offer and I sent you the reminder on that paperwork. Did you
Yes.
got that?
I'm sorry?
Did you get your offer?
Yes.
Okay, you ready to talk to your client?
Yes, but is the way I did the paperwork enough? Is it okay? Or do I have to?
I'm not too sure because the paperwork went to the jail, but I think so. But I sent you a reminder on that 622 case.
Okay,
Just fill
yeah,
out.
we're gonna plea on 622 and on.
Hey, Lemus, I need Lemus and
Oh, I'm sorry again.
Justin
So
Rodriguez.
they're dismissing 81.
Juan Diaz is a crazy guy in the back.
We're gonna plea on 622, yeah.
Okay, they're TICing the other case. Got
And
it.
not TIC, the other case that I didn't put on there.
Okay, got it. Yeah, we'll have to, when we start doing the plea, Gail,
Does it matter
just
or
let the
what?
judge know and she will put the right amount in there. Just let me know what the right amount is so
No.
that she can put it in, all
And it
right?
might be the right case number, because I don't know which one, I think I did on 62, I think I did it on 581. I think my paperwork is on 581.
Okay, actually, the paperwork's on 581. I don't think she's gonna bring up that paperwork. So I'm gonna send you a voucher plain by itself, okay?
Okay.
We're not going
Fill
right
out.
from here.
Okay, I'm moving you to room 2 to talk to your client.
Okay, thank you, Terry. I'm sorry about the mix
Oh,
up.
no worries, no worries. I'm sending you a plain voucher now. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
I want to walk around like this too.
I just looked at that when I did have time.
Let's see if anyone tells me anything.
Don't say anything.
I can't go to lunch.
Justin Rodriguez.
You're gonna go to lunch.
I can't, I have no gun.
Justin Rodriguez.
My gun's
Justin.
cracked.
Yeah, Justin.
But the-
Oh, I did.
Oh,
Justin.
mine's on break today. Oh, look, going down the sides.
I need the other Justin Rodriguez.
There's 2 of them?
He's Jose.
I'm gonna do. Oh, you're close. I'm starting with the J. Not too bad. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Lemus.
Justin!
He's an SB.
Good morning, Mr. Dominguez.
Good morning, how you doing?
Good, thank you. Jared Templeton, you got an offer on that case, Mr. Dominguez?
Yes, I do, so I can speak with him.
Okay. I do not, Mr. Dominguez, I don't have a breakout room available. Give me a moment and we'll put you in as soon as one comes up, all right?
That's fine, thank you.
Yes. Oh, Mr. Davidson, are we ready? What's going on?
Who's that?
We're ready.
All right. Judge, this is a Spanish speaker, Judge.
Jose Mariana,
Oh, he's audience.
Can you please,
What?
it
Hey,
should
was
be,
that guy
do the
Jake?
interpretation?
I can.
I picked him up.
You sure you picked him up?
Yep.
His
Where's the
car's
car?
not there.
Arlene, say something, please.
Dustin from Mac.
They haven't put the
Dustin from Mac.
language.
It's on my end.
Yeah, Judge this is Spanish speaker, Judge. Okay, there it is. Okay, there you have to end it. Yeah, and restart it. There you go.
Justin Rodriguez go back from court.
Hey, that dude
Is
Jose.
Justin Rodriguez there? Did he come back from court?
Sorry. That dude Jose, is he
He's got
from
his court.
SB also?
Who's that?
That dude Jose, is he from SB?
Okay, I'm sorry. I can find him.
I think so. Yeah.
Might be the wrong guy, King.
Do you know who?
No,
Do you
no,
know
no.
who picked him up?
should be working now, Miss Abram.
I picked him up. That's what I'm telling
Oh,
you.
in black. Okay.
He's not there?
No, he's up
Mariani.
on the floor.
I picked him
Sí.
up.
All right, 733-953, State of Texas versus Jose Mariana. We have Hal Clay for the state, William Davidson for Mr. Mariana. Mr. Mariana, raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm testimony you will give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Lo juro.
Okay, you can put your hand down, sir.
Hey, Wes, go.
All right, you are charged with the offense of assault bodily injury. That's a class A misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in jail. That's just the full range of
I
punishment.
have no idea.
You have a right to have a jury trial, the right to have the state bring in witnesses against you. Your attorney could ask questions of those witnesses. It's my understanding that you give up those rights along with your right to remain silent in order to enter a plea in this case. Is that correct?
No me opongo.
Okay, wait 1 second. Do you want to, are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Sí.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
Did your attorney go over all your immigration rights?
Correcto.
And knowing what could happen for a plea, you want to go ahead with this case. Is that correct?
Mhm.
Say it out loud, yes
Sí.
or no? Okay, thank you. Okay, Mr. Davidson, you went over his immigration rights with him?
Yes, you're all right. I did.
Okay. You feel he's mentally competent?
Yes.
And then he's already pled no contest to the charge. So I'm going to accept his plea of no contest, find him guilty. Mr. Clay, what is the agreement?
Your Honor, the agreement is for $0 fine plus court costs, a sentence of 21 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and fines to run concurrently, and this judgment be satisfied.
Mr. Davidson, is that your understanding?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I plan on following that plea bargain. Therefore, your judgment is satisfied. I know you have a hold on you, but now you can take care of that other business. Okay, sir? Yes. Okay. Okay, you do not have a right to an appeal. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you. Everybody's free to go.
Gracias.
De nada. Let me ask.
We don't need to interpret anymore, Judge. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
He's subtown.
So there, Jose, I think that's what it is, let's be. No, see, he picked him. I don't know if I think they put one back. I'm gonna send the card to those dudes there.
Yeah, you're done.
Go have a seat.
All right, we're ready on O'Brien Lemus.
All right, Lewis, come here. Right there, Mr. Lewis.
All right, Mr. Lemus, raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this call will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Talk out loud.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You can put your hand down. All right, we're going forward on 72558-1, State of Texas versus O'Brien Lemus. We have Al Clay for the state, Gail Calderolas. I'm stepping in for Peter Calderola Jr. for Mr. Lemus.
Looking for the cinder?
That's correct.
All right, Mr. Lemus, you're charged with the offense of criminal trespass. That's the class
104.
you could have gotten anywhere up to a $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. That's just the full range of punishment, sir. You also have a right to have a jury trial, the right to
104-9652. What is it? 104-9562.
the right to remain silent. I'm sorry. I see that you're going to waive those rights in order to enter a plea in this case. Is that correct, sir? Be satisfied with your attorney's advice.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Calderola, are you satisfied your client's mentally competent?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
You can't miss him.
Then to the charge of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
I'm going to accept your plea of no contest. I will find you guilty. State, what's the agreement?
Your Honor, the agreement in cause number 72558-1 is for $0 fines plus court costs, a sentence of 11 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and fines to run concurrent. We ask that the judgment for 725-622, another criminal trespass, we're going to dismiss that and take that in consideration with the other one, and that this primary charge 72558-1 judgment be satisfied.
That's your understanding, Ms. Calderola?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lemus, I'm going to follow that agreement. So the judgment is satisfied on one case. The other case, 725-622, has been taken into consideration. I did follow your plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal my decision, but I do wish you the best. Good luck, sir.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, I'm looking at your fees real quick. Was 300 the amount or more than that?
I think whatever the charge for an additional case is, I didn't put that on my paperwork.
325. Okay, I'm going to change it on here, okay?
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Do I still have to fill out the other?
No, I got it.
Terry?
I got it.
No,
Okay,
you do
thank you
not.
very much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you all. Thank you, Terry.
Rabbit.
Yeah, I'm not even 7 years old. Which one?
Where'd he go?
Yeah, I don't know. I thought he just went outside. What else he said?
You going SD?
What is going on? She gets more jail. You know about a damn thing. She even not do dead body. She said, oh, what's going on? What do land is king. Oh, I'll go back to the myself. Oh, I'll go back to the it's called a wild master. There it is. Oh. I guess
Hey, so this dude?
Offer it.
Yeah,
Yes, it's bad.
He's in his speed. Hey man, you still got Justin Rodriguez in your unit? Yes, sir. Okay, cause y'all send me Jose, but I need Justin. All right, do me a favor, send him down in the basement for auxiliary court, and we're gonna send Zoe Dundas back up. All right, bye. Who's this? Hey, Dibs. Hey, we got a guy from SB coming down. Can you help him just wait there? SB, yes, here, bro. Jose, I'm sorry, Justin Rodriguez. All right, bye.
Well, you won't take two. He's not one of the last ones, is he?
Yep, yes, there it is.
All right, there goes the, with Cowboy and GS. Oh, he's the one. He answers up though. Dig off. Hey, Drill Sergeant.
Hey, you want to wait down in the basement real quick?
Did you come? You picked up the wrong guy.
Hey.
Oh, I picked him up. I picked him up.
I did.
The wrong one.
Yeah, I picked them up. I should have.
It's a learning lesson. It's a learning
Well, it's not a
curve.
learning lesson, it's just,
Next time you say, what's your name?
yeah, that's it. Justin Rodriguez.
Well, you were close to start with the J.
Justin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
When it
she's
came
up.
up,
She's
start with the J.
five. I mean, boys, yeah, now.
You get this, I'm so dumb. Begin to feel dumb.
Sir?
She.
Yeah, please.
There it is. The real one.
You leave the key here.
He gave it to Sylvia.
Oh.
Oh.
Bell. Huh?
Yeah.
Mr. Clay, I can't sign this. signal.
Judge,
It didn't come up where I could sign it.
I sent the first one out
And Lemus
on Lemus. Yes, ma'am.
can't. See. No, it won't let me.
It won't let you sign, Judge?
No. But I guess we can print it out. I can.
Tell you what, let me go ahead and.
It's weird.
Count that out and send that back. Yeah. Right.
Let's get Templeton up. Templeton,
Yes, I'm here for Templeton.
give 1 second. He's coming.
Of course.
And we'll do yours next, Brandon. Okay, Mr. Templeton, raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Speak louder. I can't hear you.
It's muted.
Oh, yeah, he's muted.
Okay.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you put your hand down. All right, we have Hal Clay for the state, Abel Dominguez for Mr. Templeton. Mr. Templeton, you're charged with the offense of assault, bodily injury, married. You're, the full range of punishment for that is a Class A misdemeanor up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in jail. That's what the full range of punishment is, not what you're getting. You understand you have a right to a jury trial, the right to cross-examine witnesses, the right to remain silent.
Give me 5 minutes.
You understand all that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I know you're gonna give up those rights in order to this plea today, but first I have to ask you, are you a US citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, are you satisfied your client's mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor.
And has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
How long have you represented him?
Longer than 10 days, Your Honor.
All right. Then to the charge of assault bodily injury, how do you plead, Mr. Templeton? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find you guilty. What is the agreement, Mr. Clay?
Your Honor, the agreement is for $0 fine plus court costs, a sentence of 231 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and fines to run concurrent, and that this judgment be satisfied.
Okay, Mr. Clay, he only has 23 days.
That is correct. I remember hearing that.
Okay, so 23 days credit for time served?
Yes, Your Honor.
Perfect.
I was also the trustee, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
then I am going to follow that plea bargain. It looks like your judgment is satisfied, sir, and you should be released sometime today or tomorrow, okay?
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, good luck to you.
God bless.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. You're free to go.
Thank you.
Okay, let's do our last one. Mr. Rodriguez, please. Oh, we don't have paperwork yet.
I don't have a heart rate. I have high blood pressure. Thank you.
Something happening with Juan Diaz, Judge, that
I'm sorry?
I know you said it was our last one. I think happened with that I might have missed.
You're like a fucking football. You're talking about.
It's been done. I don't know. Oh, it got reset.
Oh,
Video pick somebody up.
Is he wearing a tie? That's what he's making.
Hey, sorry. Can we see him asking about this? Somebody's next to that. We're gonna fat shame him. That's today's goal. Hopefully he won't commit suicide. They don't fight. I like to put him to fight.
I guess this guy was like walked in front of it. So stupid. Get yourself another charge.
No, they won't follow it.
Did we not do Justin Rodriguez yet, Judge, or?
That's the last one.
Why can't you throw you on the bus like that?
Okay,
I
I
don't
don't know
have
what
any
happened.
paperwork.
You in the butt.
Okay, I don't see Mr. Jackson on here. He must have logged off.
Terry.
Huh?